I allow this interim custody subject to furnishing surety bonds in the sum of rupees 2 lakh with one surety in the like amount to the satisfaction of this court, and with the clear direction that the petitioner shall have to produce the above said car as and when required by the court. Full stop. Learned counsel for the accused slash petitioner has contended that the case against him is false, frivolous, baseless, and the same is result of mala fide intention and ulterior motives on the part of the local police, while he has nothing to do with the commission of alleged offence, whatsoever. Full stop. It has been further contended that he has been robbed in chain of the criminal cases, with mala fide intention of the local police. Full stop. There is no independent witness of the alleged offence, and there is sheer violation of section 103 CRPC. Full stop. No recovery of any sort is shown to be effected from him. Full stop. Finally, prayed for the acquittal of the accused. Full stop. Conversely, the learned inspector legal has opposed this application on the multiple grounds of law and facts. Full stop. It is further contended that attendance of the other accused is yet to be procured. Full stop. Charge in this case has yet to be framed, hence, the instant petition is premature, hence the same is liable to be dismissed at this stage. Full stop. Needless to say here that attendance of the accused is yet to be procured, and formal charge has also yet to be framed in this case. Full stop. Moreover, provisions of section 249A CRPC only applicable where charge is groundless and there is no possibility of the conviction of the accused in any case, but both these points can only be determined, after recording evidence of the prosecution. Full stop. Paragraph. I am of the view, filing of this application, at this fluid stage amounts to yoke the arts before horse. Full stop. Resultantly, application under section 249 CRPC is disposed of being premature. Full stop. The complainant preferred this complaint under section 452 of the PPC. Full stop. After registration of the complaint, the statement of the complainant as well as the cursory evidence produced on behalf of the complainant was recorded. Full stop. Learned counsel for the complainant has advanced arguments which have been heard and the record has been perused. Full stop. The perusal of the complaint as well as the cursory evidence of the complainant reveals that the complainant has alleged kidnapping of his daughter for ransom at the hands of the accused nominated in the complaint. Full stop. As such, panel section which attracts to the allegations is section 356A of the PPC instead of section 365 of the PPC, which has been mentioned in the complaint full stop, as per third schedule to the Anti-Terrorism Act, 1997, kidnapping for ransom is exclusively tribal by special courts established under the said act, hence the in-hand court lacks jurisdiction to try this case, full stop. Resultantly, this complaint be respectfully placed before the district and sessions judge, Lahore, for appropriate orders, full stop. Fourth, I allow this interim custody